My name is Martin Warren. I'm here to talk to you today about the safety of automobile seats and how far they have come in the past few years. I have one question for you. When buying a new car, how many of you have actually asked about the safety of the driver's or passenger side seat? They started putting airbags in the cars back in the mid 70s. Ford was the first industry that actually built a fleet of cars that had airbags in the driver's side. By the end of the 70s, General Motors, or GM, was putting them in their cars as well. There was a study showing that over more than 200 million cars and trucks are on the road today with airbags in the driver's side. Over 140 million have passenger side airbags. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has estimated that there have been over 18,000 lives saved due to airbags in vehicles today. According to the University of Georgia, a study was done with the information by the NHTSA from the 1990s to 2002. There have been 230 recorded deaths caused from airbags deploying at a low rate of speed. Now, we all know that automobile industries are always looking for a better way to improve the safety of their vehicles. Since 1989, there have been airbags on the driver's side, and in 92, they started putting them on the passenger sides as well. Now, since 1999, the vehicles has had the option of having the side impact airbags in both the driver and passenger side seats. They have been improving them ever since, and most of the cars out there today have some of the safest seats that we can ask for. I work for NHK Seating of America. We build the seats for Subaru cars. We build seats for the only Subaru plant outside of Japan. We put our seats through tests to ensure that they are safe. The seats are tested for stress and functionality. We also triple check all the bolts, the wiring, and the material that we put into the seats. We make our own foam, so we also test all the foam that goes into the seats. We make sure that it doesn't break down over time. We make sure that it doesn't burn. Our seats alone have two airbags in them. With our seats having both the side and the knee airbags, we need to make sure that the foam will blow out when the airbag is deployed. This also goes for the trim. The trim is designed to bust open when the airbag is activated. All of our parts are inspected when they're right off the truck. They're tested to make sure that they are in proper working order. Bolts are checked, springs are made sure that they are there. If any needs to be replaced, it's done right there. Once it's passed those tests, the frames are put on an assembly line. As the seats are assembled, each part is inspected for safety. By the end of the assembly line, the seat has gone through all necessary tests for the function and stress. The final step is the inspection station, where each seat goes through a final test. If it passes, it's sent to shipping and then sent to the SIA plant in Lafayette, Indiana. Functionality and stress and wear are all important when buying a vehicle. We want to feel safe while we're driving, so it's nice to know that the seats have gone through various testings to ensure our safety. When they test cars for safety, they are testing not only what the car can take, but also how fast the airbags deploy and how the seats hold up under a crash. Did you know that the NHTSA has done a study and they report that the airbags in the seats has saved over 8,300 lives? The seats in aircrafts even have airbags now. So it's very important to ask about the safety of the car before buying it. This could save your life or your child's life. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy the video.